तो इस हफ्ते हम लोग हैसवलेश्वरा टेम्पल, जिसको हलेबीडु टेम्पल भी कहा जाता है, जो हलेबीडु का सबसे लार्जेस्ट मोनूमेंट है, टेम्पल है और इंडिया का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल आर्किटेक्चर है। चलिए आज इस हफ्ते हम लोग इसको एक्सप्लोर करते हैं।
তাহলে আমাদের আর একটা উইকেন্ড ড্রাইভ শুরু হলো হ্যাসালা। এবারে যাওয়া হচ্ছে হ্যাসালা, এই যে মন্ডলি, আর এখানে চিনিপুটে। চল যাওয়া যাক। ফার্স্ট ব্রেক উডপি রেস্টুরেন্ট নির্মল। দেখতে কি অর্ডার দেওয়া যায়। তুমি কি খাবে? মর্নিং ব্রেকফাস্ট, उपमा, इडली, मसाला डोसा, वड़ा।
हमारे घर से हैसवलेश्वरा टेम्पल का डिस्टेंस है 248 किलोमीटर। अकॉर्डिंग टू ओडोमीटर्स में वक्त लगने वाला है 4.5 आवर, लेकिन हम लोगों को लगा था और भी ज़्यादा, नियर अबाउट 6 आवर, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने मल्टीपल हॉल्ट लेके हम लोग गए थे। जर्नी को काफ़ी एंजॉय करते हुए हम लोग गए थे।
We are almost there, another 10-15 minutes. See the beauty, windmill.
हसान सिटी का ब्यूटी इट्स वाज माइंड ब्लोइंग। मैं तो ये सोच रहा था अगर ये रेनी सीजन के आसपास आते तो और 4 चांद लग जाता इस टूर में।
So we reach Haisana temple, Haisala temple actually, Halebidu temple. So this is yes Haisana Baba. So we purchased one book for this temple history.
Hi guys.
And this is the parking area. You have to pay 70 rupees for the parking. And that's the temple entry. We are going towards there.
तो ये जो जगह है ये एक्चुअली एक म्यूज़ियम बना हुआ है और ये टेम्पल का रुइन पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे। तो ये देख के काफ़ी बुरा लगता है कि हमारा ये जो संस्कृति है, भारतीय जो इतिहास है, क्या क्या झेला था। तो वो टाइम का दिल्ली का जो सुल्तान था अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, वो उसने दो बार इस मंदिर को डिमोलिश करने की ट्राई किया था। तो इसके ऊपर का जो और भी 2 लेयर था उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया कम्प्लीटली। फिर भी आज जो बचा हुआ है वो भी ताज्जुब की बात है। इतने अच्छी बेजोड़ कारीगरी की नमूना बहुत कम ही जगह पे मिलता है देखने को। उसमें से एक ये है हलेबीडु टेम्पल। और यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर जो मूर्ति है ये सारे मोनोलिथिक है, मतलब एक ही स्टोन से कटा हुआ है।
तो एंट्रेंस এরকম ধরনের।
It is a Shiva temple.
Okay.
Built in 1121 AD.
Okay.
One in the name of king called Faisaleshwara. This is Faisaleshwara.
Haishaleshwara. Okay.
Other side in the name of queen called Shantaleshwara.
Okay.
Both are Shiva temples.
Okay.
They took 190 years to build this temple.
Okay.
190 years.
Okay.
But somewhere still the work is unfinished.
Okay.
Look at that beam. Still the work is unfinished.
Yes, right.
Because of the invasion by the Delhi sultans. Alauddin Khilji and his commander Malik Kafur.
Most idiotic person.
They invaded here twice, 1311.
Okay.
They never get back. So, work is still unfinished in some places of this temple.
Okay.
Faisala kings ruled over Karnataka from 10th century to the middle of the 14th century.
14th century, yes.
Nearly 350 years.
50 years, yeah.
And contributed thousands of temples during the reign in Karnataka. Among them present Halebeedu and Somanathpura near Mysore.
Okay.
Belur temple called Ekakuta because of single temple. This is called Dvikuta because of twins temples on a single platform here.
Okay.
At Somanathpura near Mysore, they constructed 3 sanctum and 1 temple on a single platform.
Okay.
Called Trikuta.
Trikuta.
They used soapstone as raw material to build all the temples.
Okay.
In Hindi, it is called Naram Pattar, which is very, very soft like soap when it is in earth. It becomes hard day by day when it exposure to the atmosphere.
Okay.
Halebeedu, erstwhile known as Dwara Samudra, when this kingdom was subjected to invasion and destroyed by them, then it came to be known as Halebeedu.
Okay.
Means ruined or destroyed city. Halebeedu means a ruined old town or ancient town.
Okay.
Tuta Puta Purana Shahar, Halebeedu means. Inside the sanctum portion, there is a lingam installed in the name of king. King's family name was Hoysala.
Okay.
So this is called Hoysaleshwara.
Hoysaleshwara.
That lingam portion called sanctum sanctorum.
Okay.
Garbhagruha.
Yes.
Next portion prayer hall. This is the dancing platform. Natya Mantapa.
Okay.
In Shantala, worship the Lord Shiva
Okay.
through dancing.
Okay.
Associates on this platform. In the memory of the dancer in Shantala, look at the dancing portion of the pillar.
Okay.
They are called Madanika or Shilabalika. Before the independence of India, 1947, this kind of 84 statues were in this temple. Out of 84, 70 idols taken over by the Britishers during the reign in India. Only 14 damaged carvings are left here, which are intact taken over by them. These pillars, look at the empty sockets.
Yeah, sockets are there. Yeah, right.
Statue removed places. There are this kind of 108 pillars in this temple. None are alike, no two similar, all are different, not monolithic.
Yes,
It is a
monolithic.
combination of 5 pieces. From Mazati here called as a base, Theta. From here to there it is called shaft Kamba. The round shape is called as capital Kumbha. Round and square shape is called as the Garbal Kati. Top portion is called as the lentil or abacus, load bearer,
Okay.
Bharabahaka, fixed with the help of interlocking system.
Okay.
So that is called Pancha Shilastamba, means a combination of 5 pieces. There are this kind of 24 beautiful ceilings in this temple. In the center, Shiva dancing Nataraja, around guardians of 8th direction. They are called Ashtadikpal.
Ashtadikpal.
East direction, Indra and vehicle Aidaka. Southeast, Agneya, god of Agni, god of fire, and his vehicle Ram. South, Yama, god of death, and his vehicle Deep of love. Southwest, God is Vibhuti, form of Vishnu, god of monsoon and his vehicle man. West direction, Varuna, god of rain and his vehicle Kara animal. Northwest, we can it as Vayuya, god is Vayu, god of wind and his vehicle bee. North direction, Kudera, god of wealth and his vehicle horse. Northeast direction, we can it as Ishanya, god is Isha, form of Shiva, god of agriculture and his vehicle Nandi. You can see Dwarapalakas of Shiva on either side of the doorway. Nandikeshwara, Bhujikeshwara. Besides, you can see the fan bearer called Chamara-Dharini. On the doorway, a panel, this length is a 9 feet length and 3 feet width. In the middle, Shiva dancing Nataraja. Right to Shiva Brahma, left to Shiva Vishnu. On either side, imaginary animal Makara. It is not existed anywhere. Combination of 7 animals.
Wow.
Trunk of elephant, mouth of crocodile, eye of monkey, ear of cow, body of pig, legs of lions, feathers of peacock. Entire panel made out of single
rock. Yes.
It is called Makara Torana. Such kind of 6 panels in this temple at the top of 6 doors. All are identical. All are similar.
Okay.
Would you like to take darshana? I can take darshana. Later we can move outside.
Yes.
Bharata, by name Arjuna.
Arjuna.
In the
Yes.
Draupadi Swayamvara, who is observing the reflection of the fish at the top in the below
yes.
oil pot, and is going to setting an arrow to hit the eye of the fish. Arrow portion has broken here. You can see an arrow passed one
Yeah,
eye to
yeah.
the another eye of the fish.
Yes, yes, yes.
Look at the tip of the arrow also. To find him as Arjuna, this is a flag of Arjuna, monkey flag is there.
Yes, monkey.
Hanuman ka janda hai udhar Arjuna.
Right.
Trinity, Brahma creator, Shiva destroyer, Vishnu protector. Because of Shiva temple, Shiva carved in the middle instead
yes.
of Vishnu. If you spell out the term God, G means generator, Brahma, Srishtikarta. O means operator, Vishnu, Sthitikarta. D means destroyer, Shiva Layakarta. This is the Shiva Parvati. Parvati, often called Uma, when she was peaceful, when she was cool and calm. At that moment, the vehicle would be Mangus. At the bottom, you can see the Mangus also.
Right.
So we call them as Uma Maheshwara.
Uma
When
Maheshwara.
she get angry, we call her as a Kali or Durga, angry aspect of Parvati. At that moment, the vehicle would be lion.
Lion. Yes.
These are all battles of our epics Mahabharata. Could not identify the situation because of mutilation. Here you can see a beautiful lady.
Yes.
She is looking her own beauty
Mirror.
in the mirror proudly.
Yes, yes.
We call her as Darpana Sundari.
Okay.
Admiring her beauty in the mirror, putting the bindi on her forehead by right hand by this finger only. It is our tradition to wear the bindi
Exactly.
by this finger only. Why? Because vein of this finger is connected to our heart. It is proved by the science. Please come.
Not that one.
Incarnations of Vishnu. This is the 8th one. Krishna avatar. In which Krishna
Right.
to show that as a mountain.
Flood.
Many possible carvings made by the carver here. You can see the banana plant, bunch of banana,
Right.
a monkey climbing the tree, cat is catching the rat, hunter holding the bow and arrow, lion entering the cave here. You can see the back two-legged entail of a lion.
Right, right.
Head portion of the lion coming out of the cave, entering by this side, exit by the
My
side.
God.
Peacocks on either side, serpents are falling down. At the top there are 3 people. For 3 people there must be 6 legs. Here carver carved only the 4 legs. Shared among the 3 people. Look at the right.
Yes, yes, it's 3D hologram system. Yes.
Yeah, right person has 2 legs. Left person has 2 legs. Look at the middle one. He has also same 2 legs.
Exactly.
4 legs shared among the 3 people are like 3 deities.
Right, right.
Here, a demon by name Gajasura in the form of elephant going to kill the Shiva. 2-legged head of the elephant.
Yes,
At the top
yes.
you can see the 2-legged tail of the elephant. You can see here the thumbnail also made with carving.
Yeah.
Not they came the Chanda Nikkal Vahan Nikkal. Very intricate for that very beautiful at his teenage. The boy who becomes adult. Whatever is in people think. She may be donkey faced lady also. In Sachi love we say love is blind. कोई की दिल लग गए तो गधा भी अच्छा होता है.
Right.
प्राप्तेषु षोडशे वर्षे धार्दभे अप्सरे भवेत् in Sanskrit.
Varaha avatar.
In which Vishnu took the form of a lion-faced man, body like a human, face like a lion, killing the demon Hiranyaksha, whom hidden by the demon Hiranyaksha. You can see the Bhudevi on the shoulder of the Vishnu,
Yes, yes.
whom hidden by the demon Hiranyaksha. So Vishnu is killing the demon Hiranyaksha here. Another demon go against the Vishnu to fight. Poked the Gada to the rib portion of the demon. Tip of the Gada comes one ribs to another rib here. Intestines are also came out of the belly here. Intricate work made by the carver there. Here, Shiva killing the demon Andakasura. At that moment, Nandi dancing happily. Look at the smiley face of the Nandi.
Yes.
A good expression given by the carver there. Please come. Body like a human, face like a lion, killing the demon Hiranyakashipu. Another demon go against the Vishnu to fight. He peels off the front portion of the face of the demon like mask. Eyeballs are gone with the skin there. Prahalada and his mother Kayadu playing the Vishnu. Vehicle of Vishnu Garuda also made the carver. Because the angry aspect of Parvati. This story belongs to Chamundis of Mysore. Mahishasura Mardini. She is holding all the weapons in her hand, killing the demon in the form of he buffalo called Mahishasura. Spiritual knowledge. In her left hand she is holding the scriptures, symbolizes the material knowledge. To her dance, a drummer is beating the drum. Look at the beard style, which looks like a French beard style, in 12th century. Vishnu is resting on 700 serpent. We call him as Shesha Shayana. Lakshmi pressing the foot of the Vishnu. Ashtadikpalaka, gods of 8 directions, went before Vishnu to reveal their problems. They are faced. To her dance, a drummer is beating the drum. Look at the threads, which looks like nylon threads intricately made by the carver. Look at the canopy. Inside there is a full of hollowness. Cavity inside the canopy. One could not cut it down in paper by chisel. They chiseled in stone, very minute, very intricate. Please called Smashana Bhairavi. In her left hand she is holding a bearded head, wearing a skull garland. She is dancing. To her dance, goats are beating their cymbals for the same music. Another ghost is also dancing, looks like a skeleton, intricately made by the carver. Battle between Arjuna and Karna in Kurukshetra. If anybody of them shoot an arrow by their bow, an arrow before reaching its aim, it multiples in between. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, like this it multiples. 5th incarnation, Vamana Avatara, in which Bali Chakravarti is giving 3 steps of land.
3 steps of land, yeah.
Simple. Please come.
Ramayana.
You know, God is one, names are different. Such a kind of message given by the carver by the sculpture. One side we can see that.
Flower carving. Definitely this is the most beautiful Nandi Maharaj in front of us. monolithic. See, it's not joint or anything. It's a single rock.
Nothing joint at all.
Yes.
Pass through Yelpia, right here, Moxia. We have here. We can see the buckles. There is a gap inside the buckle. Light passes through the gap. Inside there is a full of hollow inside, cavity inside. They made like the cloth wrap up. कपड़े पहन के जैसा कजन किया है कारीगर ने.
সবাই বসে এখানে আড্ডা দেওয়া হচ্ছে, বেরোবে এবার একটু পরে। The temple closed at 6:30 and we are going home. Experience was so awesome. People should visit because our Indian history, culture, architecture are so rich. You all should know that. बाद सबको मैं एक ही चीज़ सजेस्ट करूँगा, अगर हिस्ट्री को जानना है तो गाइड ले लीजिए, वो लोग आपको बताएंगे। So thank you. This is the view, sunset view actually. Sun setting outside. हर महादेव। খুব ভালো আমাদের আজকের উইকেন্ড ট্রিপটা গেল। তো ঘুরে ফিরে আমরা প্রত্যেকবার এটাই দেখি যে আমরা মহাদেবের দরবারেতেই আরজি লাগাচ্ছি। তো সত্যি করে খুব ভালো লাগলো। এদিকের ভিউটা দেখো, জাস্ট অ্যামেজিং। This is the sunset view.